I'm going to put pictures on a fire alarm device. Let's put it right here. Let's put it right here. Let's put it right here. And, there we go, done.
Oh no, the set is not completed.
Who said that?
It's me. Now get over here right now.
What is it, security?
Junior, how many times do I have to tell you not to put pictures on a fire alarm device? Because the horn cannot hear when the fire alarm goes off. Remember last week it was a false alarm. These pictures need to be taken off right now.
But security, I can really explain that these pictures can stay on the horn. They need to leave them on because of false alarms are annoying. These pictures can stay on the horn forever.
Hey! You'd better watch your mouth, young man. These pictures cannot stay on the horn forever. They need to be taken off.
Wait, does it need to be taken off?
Yes, it needs to. Take it off right now.
Okay, I will. There, now I took it off.
Good. Take these pictures off the device right now.
There, now I took all the pictures off the fire alarm device.
Good. Thank you. And guess what?
What?
A police officer is coming. But don't worry, he'll do it by his own thing. He'll come down by himself.
Yo, Junior, how dare you put pictures on a fire alarm device? You know putting a picture on a fire alarm device is not allowed to do that at public school. You know that picture is not belong in a public school. Putting a picture on the wall is to do that at home, not at school. And you're too young to go to high school. That's it. Go home right now.